여러분, the 8th show 봤어요? 여기는 도시락, 옥수수랑 통카스. Akalain mo may kumukuha sa aking escort for Santa Cruzan in Seoul on Sunday. At dahil mahihain ako, I said no! Sightseeing after kumain, and then let's move to our next location. Ito, photography model. Sakay ng bus patungo sa Digital Media City na Malengke. Bought this from the market. It's really delicious. Only 2,000 won a piece.